Let's do warm-ups 9, 10, and 11 back to back because they're all working with the same thing. We are now working with E minor. Now it looks like we're in G major because we have that one sharp. And that's the key that it looks like it's in. But the relative minor to this is E minor. And it adds some spookiness to it. I have a wonderful Circle of Fifths video on my YouTube. Please use that to understand more of it. And it has to do with where our whole steps are and our half steps. So what we're used to hearing is a do, re, mi. And so now we're going to do a do, re, mi. Yes, there are more syllables than just do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. There are everything in between. So those are the notes that we're working with right here. E, F sharp, G natural, A, B. E, F sharp, G natural, A, B. And it's a good idea to end with the fourth finger. We're not doing fiddles for this, so we want to use that fourth finger. So we have a really good solid E note without it being too shrill. And when it's perfectly in tune, it will make that open E string vibrate and ring so that our instrument just fills out even more. So work on getting that elbow to come around underneath so we can have that beautiful downward motion for that fourth finger and not hit that E string so that is able to vibrate while we're playing. All right, so number 9, let's do it on the faster side with the repeat. 2 beats each for these half notes. 1, 2, ready, go. B again. Two, lift beginning. Wonderful. Then number 10 is doing something very similar. We're starting on E. We're walking up. We're just an octave lower. E, F, G, A, B, C, A, B, G, 4, G, F, E, B, E. So let's do that with the repeat. Take your time with the slurs. We only have one string crossing, and that's at the end. So really listen to that as we're going down. So with repeat, 1, 2, ready, go. Open. 4. Second finger over top. I leave that first finger down. That first finger down on that D string, E, B, E, just like that. So we can go right back to it and it's perfectly in tune. All right, so number 11, I like this intonation right here because it reminds me of this really cool minor piece of tambourine and it's really cute. Okay, so we're playing eighth notes and a half note after that eighth note. So my bow is doing 1 and 2 and da, 1 and 2 and da. My bow is doing a down bow for 2 beats and an up bow for 2 beats. So I'm just doing down, up, down, up, and my fingers are doing all the work for me. So the first 2 measures, we're staying on the D string. E, F, G, F, E, E, F, G, F, E. Then over on the A string, B, A, B, C, B. And then walking down with this string crossing. So when we come down onto that D string, you may be very tempted to go ba, 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 ba. Those are dancing fingers. We make people dance with their fingers. We do not make our fingers dance. So I'm doing 1, open, all 3, 2, 1, because we're going to be using them. So make sure that you're doing that. All right, number 11 with the repeat. Ready and go and. Low 2. Lock down. Beginning, go and.